All right, so back at the car, I'll start installing all this stuff. Just gonna fish this down there. Okay. And something I just did off camera, I just when I originally mounted this over on the bench, I had it upside down. I just flipped it back over. All right, so this part in here, get everything out of the way. Drop it. Oh, come on. And drop it anyway. So to drop one first before it would take. Looks like it's sucking it in. Don't you just love those little bitty eighth of a damn turn? Wait till I get down to the bottom. It's gonna be the best time ever. It's already hard to turn on. Maybe. I feel like this one was the biggest pain in the butt to get off to begin with because it was just such a small window of turning. And then on top of that, I'm trying not to nick the damn paint I just painted it all with while putting this on. I can guarantee this is gonna be a daily driver car. I say daily driver, it's gonna drive it every time it's not raining and I'm not carrying all my damn kids around. Because I'm building this car to drive it as much as possible. And to punk out Mustangs. And I made all these hard lines that went to this first time around. So again, I already know all this works. Again, I was just taking it off because I'm changing out that slave cylinder, which turned into a lot more of a bigger mess than I originally planned. Get underneath the car to find that other nut that fell. Good job, it was a good time. All right. We got a wrench for that. Let's cheat this thing on. A lot faster. Okay. All right, so again, it's been knocked off course. Ah, shit, I'm not redoing this, but again, it's going to be, this comes up here, it sits right here. And I have the, oh, I've dropped everything. Of course, everything would be in the way. you ever wonder where Struggle Street is, it's right here. It's kind of what it looks like. There's the ground. Where'd the ground go to? Yep. Why is the two shortest bolts the hardest ones to get in? All right. Now, if you ever wonder why I don't film all this crap all the time, it should be a good example because it looks like I'm just screwing everything up every time I do something. All right. So this one went here. This one right here. Maybe. Well, I think he's leaning. Keep hitting it or whatever. Oh my gosh. All right. know some of you are probably looking at me like, oh, he's an idiot. And some of you are probably like, I feel you. Those fucking wrenches are shit. Sometimes they are shit. Can't get it on with this motherfucker. Right? Can't get it on at all. All right. I think it's wiggling just because of how long the damn thing is. So the fender will go in here. This will be up a little bit higher. This might be it. I can loosen that and readjust it in different directions if need be. And then this one here is just a push lock hose because it ain't got no pressure at all. Plan is to have this one go up underneath here, under the fender, then over to underneath here, and then back up underneath to this side of here. I don't even know if you can see that part. Yeah, up underneath here. So it'll be hidden underneath the fender well completely. But that's the setup. The only thing I got left to do now is get the other one out and hook its line up here, up to the top, and then put the rod inside for this part and rehook up all the brake pedals. That's that.